going for a nature walk. It's a beautiful fall day. Fall day. Not full day. Fall day. Jeremiah, say hi. As always, this is a beautiful place to be out in the nature. Look at that. All the leaves are almost gone. As always, we're getting high with the nature. Hi everybody, thank you. Where is he? Where is the baby? This guy likes to explore. With the dog.